In this video, we're going to talk about what are the benefits to using PLR content. I'm going to give you 6 benefits today. Hi, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I talk all things passive income for stay-at-home moms and wives. I would love that you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the like button. And when you hit that little dingly bell, every time that I upload a new video, you will receive a notification. Now, the passive income that I talk about on this channel is writing and publishing books on KDP, affiliate marketing, UGC creator, passive cryptocurrency, and digital products. Now, first, number one is time saving is the number one benefit to using PLR content, which can help you save a whole lot of time and effort. So you don't have to create the content from scratch. You can customize it and you can have it to suit your needs and publish it quickly. Cost effective. Now, purchasing PLR content can be more cost effective than hiring a writer or a designer to create the content for you. So PLR content is often available at a fraction of the cost for creating the original content. Versatile. Now, PLR content can also be used in a variety of ways. So you can use blog posts, social media content, ebooks, email, newsletter, and so much more. So let me give you an example. If you purchase a blog post from a PLR site, you can use that blog post and you can stretch it out and put out social media content. You can also use that same blog post to create an ebook as well as send an email newsletter and so forth. Now you have your convenience. With PLR content, you can quickly add content to your website or business without having to spend time researching and writing. And then you have your customization, or it's customizable. Your PLR content can be easily customized to suit your needs. You can add your own branding. You can change up the content, and you can also modify the design. And the last one is profitability. Now, with the PLR license, the right one, you can even sell the content as your own, which can be very profitable in ways for you to generate income in your business.